No blade? Problem there, no is not!
Price.
Oh, wow. I did it. Oh, I did it. This fixes everything. Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast. Oh. I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I am a Viking! I did this.
Get me off this roller coaster.
Go! Save yourself!
Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoned, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Everybody, everybody.
Teeth breathe fire? You're supposed to know.
Hey.
Hey.
What is wrong with you?
Take a panic! I'm calling you out! Defend yourself!
Defend my...
Fight me!
What? What are you doing?
I said fight me! What's that, Hiccup? You want to fight to the death?
What? Who said that? Nobody said that.
You did!
Ah! Oh! Oh, ow! I'm not gonna fight you, Snot Loud!
You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to. Fine, but remember, you wanted this.
Ah! What'd you do that for? Ah, hold on, I gotta take it. Mom, Dad, Hiccup punched me. I'm really thirsty.
Sweet little eyes, your little smile is all I remember. Those fuzzy memories mess with my temper.
Yeah, that's right. Keep running! You okay?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm all right, bud.
Who were those guys? They didn't look like dragon hunters.
You know, I don't know. With all the flying axes and tumbling down hills, I forgot to ask. Hey, what you got there, Toothless?
I think I know who those guys were.
Oh, no way! Vigo put a price on Hiccup's head? Oh, man. Every bounty hunter from here to the archipelago is gonna be looking for you.
Thank you. It's not loud for your undying support.
No, thank you, Hiccup.
Je crois
to cry on. Just lean on my shoulder and you can cry into my full, thick beard.
Oh, thank you, Tough Nut. Thank you.
I'm trying to protect our dragons and stop the war. How is that irresponsible? Because war is what you want, son.
Feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming? Please don't leave me.
My father left me to protect it.
Want you.
Me show you. What then? Hiccup! Come on, Gabba!
Okay, change of plan.
No dragon can resist the Alpha's command. So he who controls the Alpha controls them all.
Toothless? Toothless, you okay, bud? What's going on?
Witness true strength. Strength of will over others. In the face of it, you are nothing.
What did he just tell you? Toothless! Come on! What's the matter with you? No, come on, what are you doing? Knock it off! Stop! Snap out of it! Toothless, no! Toothless! Don't! Pick up! Stop! Son! Dad! No! No. Dad! Stoic. Dad. No, you. No.